Okay, so you need to get your recordings done for SoundCloud and Mixcloud for class tomorrow. No problem, I'll get you there. So the first thing that you're going to need is the program itself that we're going to be using to record. I use a program called Audacity. I know I briefly talked about it in class. It's a free program. It'll let you record whatever you need in a very easy, concise manner. So this is what we're going to be using. To get it, you can go to this website, which is audacityteam.com/download, and you'll be able to pick from one of these download links to put Audacity on your computer. Once Audacity is on your computer, all you have to do is, now I'm not sure if you use a desktop or a laptop, excuse me. If you use a laptop, then your laptop's going to have a built-in microphone. This is the one that I use. Don't worry about the actual microphone. Now, when you go to record, you're going to see this little microphone icon, which is basically picking from the list of audio devices on your computer that will be able to record sound. In this case, you need to pick your actual microphone. Now, the microphone that I'm using is the Blue Yeti, so I would pick this. In your case, whatever brand your laptop is, chances are the internal microphone will have that as its name. So before you start recording, because there's a good chance that you might start recording and you might not actually get any sound. Now, as you can see, I'm actually getting sound here because I have the Blue Yeti selected as my audio device, but if I, for example, had something else selected as the microphone, I actually don't even know if this would work. If I start recording, okay, that works too. Bad example. Ignore that. That didn't happen. Anyway, so you want to make sure that you have your microphone selected as your recording device. From there, all you'd have to do is just hit the record button, say the line that you would have to say. It's on Blackboard. I think it's like for WKNJ, this is the fucking best radio station in the entire fucking world. It doesn't matter. Just, you say the line the best that you can, and once you're done, just hit stop, and from there you will have your entire recording. All we need to do now is get that recording saved onto the computer. Now hold on. Normally, we would continue here. Mixcloud has a bit of a problem with uploading files that are really, really small. If we move over to our second display over here, here's SoundCloud. SoundCloud will let you upload a file size no matter how small it is, as far as I know. Even like a 10-second clip, it'll let you do. Mixcloud, on the other hand, I think it has to be like 12 megabytes or bigger, and this file is not going to be 12 megabytes. It's going to be very, very small because it's only, in this case, I only recorded 17 seconds. So what we're going to do is we need to basically fill that space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the record button again, and as you're going to see, it's going to make another audio channel. Oh God, hang on. It's actually playing back the audio from what I just sent through my headphones. So I'm going to hit the record button again. It's going to make another audio channel, and basically we're just going to let this play out for a little while. What we're going to do is we're going to let this play out for maybe a minute or so. The whole idea is this is going to fill space in the recording. Now you may be thinking, why would I record my audio in this channel only to have this one be filled with more talking, more of me just filling the time? Well, we're basically going to take everything that's in this channel for like a minute. Excuse me. We're going to take what's in this channel and we're going to convert it to white noise, basically just static. But we're going to make the white noise really, really quiet so that if your particular recording gets played in class, no one has to hear a really loud right after the recording. So as you can see, we're approaching about a minute. So we've finished 1 minute. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit stop to stop the recording. Now, we have our 2 channels here. This one will be your actual recording where you'll say the line. This is the one that's going to fill time. So here's what we're going to do. We want to select the entire channel. So right below these 2 little rockers, just click right there and everything will be highlighted in blue. Now go up here to where it says generate and select noise. For noise type, we're going to do white. And what that did was it made a whole big stream of white noise. Now, if I actually played this, it would literally sound like TV static. And it would be very, very loud. So what we want to do is make it quieter. We're going to go over to our... Hang on, let's move this out of the way. We have our volume rocker right here. This one is our left and right channels. You can just ignore that. The main one is this top one right here. We're going to move this all the way to the left, as far as we can go. That way it'll be dead silent if you actually hear it. But because it's still an audio track and there is still something happening, it'll fill the time on the file and basically stretch out the file size. So you'd have your recording here. Now, even though this is muted, just ignore that. So you'll have your file size, you'll have your first audio channel right here, which will be you saying the actual line that's listed on Blackboard. And the other one will be the white noise that's used to make the file bigger. Now we're going to go to File. We're going to go to Export Audio. Here we're going to pick where we want our file to be saved. I'm going to pick I'm going to pick desktop, and you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to write test because I'm not actually going to use this one. You might see this. Your tracks will be mixed down to 2 stereo channels in the exported file. That's okay. Just hit all right. Hit OK again. It will now save right here on your desktop. You will have the file. Now, we just want to upload this to SoundCloud first. So back to SoundCloud again. This is my particular one. We're going to go to Upload. Okay? Choose a file to upload. And we already saved the file to the desktop, so we're just going to find our test file, double-click it. Right there, so we give it a title. I don't even think you need to give it a title or anything. So from there, you just hit save right down here, and it will save the file right there. So we're gonna click go to your track. Here is the track itself. Now, as you can see, it's 1 minute and 5 seconds. This is perfect. What we're gonna do is we are going to hit share, and we want to embed this on Blogger. Now, I know you need an embed code for Blogger, so these all look like Google. Oh, I'm sorry, it's right here. So we're going to hit embed, and we're going to get this big code right here. Just click it, and right-click and hit copy. Now we're going to go into our Blogger, so just excuse me, I probably should have had this loaded up before I started recording. So we're going to go into Blogger, and hang on, let me go back. We're going to make a new post, okay? Now, we are going to paste in the embed code for the SoundCloud audio file. Now, if you just paste this, you're not actually going to get the SoundCloud file. You're just going to get a mess of code. To make it appear, we're going to go over here to Options, and under Compose Code, we're going to make sure you check Interpret Typed HTML. From there, you could hit Save and Publish, and your SoundCloud audio clip will be successfully posted to Blogger. And then from there, all you have to do is go on Blackboard and post the link to your blog in the right submission box on Blackboard. So we just took care of SoundCloud. Now let's take care of Mixcloud, which this is next. Now, thankfully, we still have the file. We can use the same file twice. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit Upload right here. We're going to hit Choose File. And we're going to scroll down once again and find the test file. Okay, so this is actually perfect. The file you've chosen is under 12 megabytes. It's actually 11 megabytes. Go figure. So basically, when I had you record the white noise, if this happens, if the white noise that you record is too short, and meaning it doesn't stretch out the file long enough, we want to make the white noise go for longer, meaning it'll make a bigger file. That's easy enough. So we're going to click this audio channel right here, go up to Effect, change Speed, and we're going to make the speed lower. And what that's going to do is it's going to make the track go for longer. We had it go for about a minute. Now it goes for 2.5 minutes. That'll be more than enough to get our file to be over 12 megabytes. So I'm going to do export audio once again. We can call this one test2 because it's basically just the updated file. Hit save, hit OK once again. And from here we can reduce our Audacity. Here's the other file, our test2 file. This is the one we're going to use for Mixcloud. So we're going to go to change file. Again, basically if you let the white noise go for basically about 2 minutes, you probably won't have this issue, but just in case, that's how to fix it. We're going to hit test2. My voice just cracked, excuse me. We're going to do test2 right there and hit upload. Oh, please enter a title. Make sure you enter a title. So we're just going to write test, hit upload. Okay, I totally forgot about this. Please choose an audio file that's either MP3, AAC, M4A, or MP4. So that may seem a little bit intimidating, but it's basically saying that this file that we made is not going to work because this is a WAV file. That's okay. There are ways around this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type in WAV to MP3 right there. And, excuse me, here's a video, here's a website right here that will do exactly what we need. It's the first website. We're going to select our file, test2. So we're going to basically make this file into an MP3 so that Mixcloud will be able to accept it. Basically, it doesn't accept WAV files. It's stupid. This entire assignment is stupid that we have to even use Mixcloud and we can't just use SoundCloud, but this is kind of what we need to do. So it's preparing the file for its conversion, no problem. And we're just gonna wait, wait it out for a minute. Of course, depending on your internet connection, this might be quicker. I apologize that this is taking so long. This video is probably getting to be too long, too. I'm probably gonna have to upload this to YouTube and then send you the link. Oh, excuse me. Okay, now format. MP3. Make sure you click that and hit start. So it's going to process our entire thing. It's going to turn the entire thing into an MP3. Okay, test2 as an MP3. We're going to hit download, and it's going to download the file to our computer. Let's drag this and put it right here. So this test2 file, let's just move that over there. This is the file that we want. If I hover over it, you can see it's an MP3. Back to Mixcloud. Let's try this one more time. Test2, MP3. We're going to double click it, make sure it has a title. We're going to hit upload. Now it's going to upload. Excuse me. So now it's done. Perfect. So all we need to do now is get our embed code. So let me see if I can remember how to get the embed code. Oh yeah, I remember. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the actual page for our Mixcloud. So go to your profile. And here is the file that we just uploaded, okay? So we're going to click this right here. Oh, wait, hold on. I have to press the publish button? I don't even remember having to do this on my own. I'm sorry. Right here, click publish at the very bottom. And is it not working now? Hold on. This upload is not complete. Great, now I'm having problems here. Great. The upload is not public. I'm hitting publish. You see I'm hitting publish. The fuck? How come I'm having a problem now? That is very, very odd. I've never had that problem before. I'm gonna try it with the other one. Maybe I need to put in a description. I'm going to just put in a description and write test on that one too. The upload is not public. Click the publish button to publish it. What the hell? See, like, this is why I can't fucking stand Mixcloud, because we have to do this bullshit. Wonderful. Okay. Damn it. Now I'm the one who's running into issues here. Alright. Here's what we're gonna do. We can still embed anyway. If she gives you a problem, honestly, like, if she gives you a problem, I'll try to take care of it. I'll tell her that, you know, I helped you through this. Right here, we're going to get our embed code. So let me do that again, because I did that a little bit fast. Right here, there's these three little buttons. You can barely see them, but we're going to hit the upload button and go to embed player. And we're going to get our embed code. It copies it for us, thankfully. We're going to go to new post, copy and paste the embed code, go to options, make sure interpret typed HTML is checked, save, and then publish. And then again, you will have the embedded Mixcloud file on your Blogger. And then you can do the exact same thing with the Mixcloud assignment. Just upload, or rather copy and paste the link to your blog onto Blackboard, and you will get full credit for the assignment. Hopefully this was easy enough. I hope I didn't make it too confusing. So yeah, that is all you have to do. If you have any other problems after this, just feel free to text me, and I will do what I can to help. Peace!